Meet Rob. Rob owns his own business. When he initially launched it, he was so proud of his first sale. More sales followed, and Rob was a happy guy. He stayed that way for a while, but over time, something changed. Although Rob was still making sales, they remained flat. No matter what he did, it seemed like he couldn't grow his business as much as he wanted to. Rob was bummed out because his competitors didn't seem to be having the same problem. In fact, they seemed to be getting the sales that Rob was missing out on. At first, Rob struggled to figure out how to improve sales, until he heard about Optimal's free digital marketing consultations. So he scheduled a consultation, and it was there that he learned about Optimal's digital marketing solution. It was a comprehensive three-prong approach that tackled search engine optimization, pay-per-click ads, and conversion optimization for long-term quantifiable growth. With search engine optimization, or SEO, more potential customers would be able to find Rob's business in Google and Bing search results, bringing his website way more traffic. Pay-per-click, or PPC ads, would help him do the same thing by targeting great prospects with professional, high-quality ads so he could entice more leads to visit his website. And the conversion optimization experts would review Rob's website analytics to determine where sales were dropping off so they could suggest site improvements. Rob liked the thought of all this, but what he enjoyed hearing even more was that Optimal focused relentlessly on growth. After making the changes they discussed, the Optimal team would monitor his website analytics and continue to make strategic suggestions, helping his business continuously improve and grow, month after month. Because Optimal had over a decade of experience in digital marketing and plenty of enthusiastic customer reviews, Rob thought it was worth a shot. Fast forward to a year later. Today, Rob's business is doing just great. He no longer worries his competitors are getting customers he missed out on. Instead, he's pretty sure he's grabbing their customers. And with higher sales, more money in the bank, and greater peace of mind, Rob's feeling really happy again. Be like Rob. Visit Optimal's website now at optimal.com or call 453-231-3858 to set up your free digital marketing consultation and learn how we can help your business achieve long-term, measurable growth.